Wearing a giraffe? What does a giraffe have? What does a giraffe have?
Neck.
A long neck. And what does an elephant do? Ah, yeah. And what does a frog do? What does a frog do, Niamh? Ribbit. Ribbit. And what's that? Who's that? Is that the monkey? What does the monkey do? What does the monkey do, Niamh? Oh, you want to wear the monkey? What does the monkey do? Does the monkey say, oh, 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 oh? Yeah? And who's over there?
Daddy.
Is that the lion? What does the lion say? What does the lion say? Roar! And Niamh, what does the snake say? And what does a cow say? What does a cow say? Moo. And what does a duck say? What does a birdie say?
Tweet.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Yeah. And what does a chicken say? Yeah. And what does a sheep say? Ah, yeah. And what does a bunny do?
Hop.
Hop, yeah. And what does what's another one? What does, do we do frog? Ribbit. Ribbit. Yeah, that's right.
Big.
Yeah, ribbit, ribbit. And what does a cat say?
Wow.
Meow. And what does a horsey say? Yeah. And what does a doggy say?
Ruff.
Ruff, ruff. Yeah. And what does a mouse say? Does a mouse say? Squeak, squeak. Yeah. Very good. Who's such a good girl? Who's so smart?
More.
Hmm? Yeah. Can you say bye-bye to the camera?